Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an impact screwdriver. Hand operated. You hit it with a hammer. You can see on the chuck of it, it's got a right for tight and a left for loose. You just rotate it, push it in, click it. Comes with multiple size bits, and you can see it's got a 3/8 drive. The chuck is removable. Comes with a heavy duty Phillips, 2 different sizes. Chuck comes off of it. It's got a 3/8 drive. I'd recommend using a impact socket on it. And I use a dead blow hammer on it, plastic. Let's go try it out. And we want to loosen this one. Turn it to the L. And it's tight. Loosen it right up. And if you want to tighten it, turn it to the R. And it's tight again. Everybody needs an impact screwdriver. They're not real expensive. They're very handy.